Hello and welcome to Informatics. My name is Matt, and right now we are going to teach you how to take a screenshot in Windows 11. Now before we get started, full transparency, I am an employee at Microsoft. With that out of the way, let's go ahead and begin. The two methods for taking a screenshot we'll cover today are using the print screen shortcuts and something called the snipping tool. The first method allows you to take a screenshot of your entire screen or a specific window. The second gives you a bit more flexibility. You can screenshot the full screen or a window like the print screen shortcut method, or you also have the ability to custom select any segment of your screen using the rectangle or freeform selection modes. Let's dive into the first method, our print screen shortcuts. To save a screenshot of your full screen, simply hit the Windows logo key on your keyboard in combination with the print screen button. If you don't have a print screen button on your keyboard, you can simply hit the FN or function key, the Windows logo key, and the spacebar. Doing this will save a screenshot of your full screen to the Screenshots folder. To access this, simply open your File Explorer, click Pictures on the left nav bar, and double-click into the Screenshots folder. As you can see, here is a screenshot I took of my full desktop. If you don't want to save a picture of your full screen and simply want to copy to your clipboard, just hit the Print Screen button, and you should be able to go paste your image into a PowerPoint, Word document, or anywhere else you'd like. Next is the Save Current Window Screenshot command. This is the Windows logo key plus the Alt button and Print Screen button. Using this command will capture a screenshot of any window you have selected. For example, I can take a screenshot of this File Explorer window. Similarly, if you just want to copy the screenshot and be able to paste it, you can use the Alt plus Print Screen command. Now on to my personal favorite method of taking a screenshot in Windows, and that is the snipping tool. The snipping tool is a powerful screenshotting application which comes free with Windows. To access, simply search Snipping Tool in the Windows search bar at the bottom of your screen, or use the Windows logo key, Shift, and S, that's the letter S shortcut. The snipping tool gives you a ton of different options for taking screenshots. There are four main screenshotting modes, which are rectangle, window, full screen, and freeform. Window and full screen are essentially the same as the shortcut options we saw before, so we'll focus on rectangle and freeform modes for now. Let's start with selecting rectangle. To initiate taking a screenshot, simply select New in the upper left-hand corner. Here you can drag the cursor to select any rectangular area of the screen you'd like to take a screenshot of. This is a great option for targeting specific areas of your screen. After taking a screenshot, it's saved to the Screenshots folder, just like we saw before, but it also gets surfaced in a canvas within the Snipping Tool app itself. Here you can right-click to copy the image, or use the tools at the bottom, such as the Pen tool or Cropping tool, to make any modifications that you'd like. Now let's check out Freeform mode. Go ahead and select that option and press New. This allows you to custom draw the perimeter of your screenshot using the mouse. You can create a circle, a heart, or whatever shape that you'd like. Another useful tool is the delayed capture settings, which can be found right here. This essentially delays the application from taking a screenshot for a specific amount of time. The options are no delay, which is the default, 3 seconds, 5 seconds, or 10 seconds. Let's say you need a few seconds to open up a specific window before a screenshot is taken. Let's go ahead and switch to window mode, turn the delay on 3 seconds, and click New. We're going to open up this image here, and boom. We should have a screenshot of that window. Oh, look at cute little Rory. Lastly, the screenshotting tool can also be used to record video by toggling this button here. We'll save screen recording for another tutorial though. All right, now you know all the ways to take a screenshot in Windows 11. Hopefully you found this video helpful. If so, feel free to give it a like or subscribe to see more. Please let me know in the comments if there are any other tutorials you'd like to see. Thanks again for watching. Take care, and we'll see you next time on Informatics.